back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell about some points you can use these sentences in assembly, and it gonna help you in your teaching line. And this is a assembly conversation. So without wasting a time, let's start the video. First step, make a line and go to the prayer ground. If you want, it is a assembly time, so you need to say the children, so you can use this sentence, make a line and go to the prayer ground. And you can use the other way, you can say in another way, all of you get outside to the assembly ground. Second, make your line according to your heights. There are so many children, they are so tall children, they are so short children, so you can use that time, this line. Make your line according to your heights. Take one hand distance, please. Take one hand distance. Don't skew your line. Don't skew your line. Come fast, get into the line quickly. Come fast, get into the line quickly. Why are you talking in the line? Why are you talking in the line? Stand properly in your line. Stand properly in your line. Stop moving while making your line. Stop moving while making your line. Stop looking here and there. Stop looking here and there. What are you looking here and there? What are you looking here and there? Look straight. Look straight. Let's begin the prayer. Let's begin the prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes. Join your hands and close your eyes. Students, go slowly to your classes. Students, go slowly to your classes. So, here is our today's video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.